Hello, I'm Nick Haysey. I'm an interior designer in Northamptonshire, and I help our clients to have beautiful spaces that they're very proud of and happy, more than happy, to welcome people into. Whether that's creating a sanctuary to retreat to after very intense, busy days, or whether to have all the friends and family over and feel really proud to show off your spaces, we do that. We take you from the beginning when we'd carefully plan the design and take you step by step through the process to make sure it's exactly what you were hoping for and what you envisaged, all the way through to implementation at the end. This channel has been designed to give you lots of inspiration, some tips and tricks that you can implement yourselves, and to show you a little bit of behind the scenes so you understand what we get up to and get an insight into Haysey Designs. I look forward very much to getting to know you all.